Hello boys and girls! Today I will show you how to make a kick with a free kick synthesizer, Geonkick. Geonkick is a good alternative for Kick 2 or any expensive plugin out there. So let's get right to it. Geonkick looks like this when you open it. You can download it, by the way, from here. So Geonkick is pretty easy to use. You got two oscillators, 1 and 2, and 3 layers. You can activate them by clicking them. And then you have this noise oscillator. The first thing that I usually do when I make a kick is ramp up this amplitude of the oscillator 1. Then I ramp up the frequency. Then it sounds like this. But we don't want that. So we click this frequency, we take this first or last button here and drag it down. Then we put another pointer here, and another pointer here, and another pointer here. Usually like 5 points is good for a kick. And now you can see these little notes here. So this basically means that the sound starts from B and ends here in 0. If our music or a track is in B, we can tune our kick to B. The next should be also B, like this, and this is already B, and this should be B also. So now it sounds like this. It sounds already pretty good. Then the next step is click the general amplitude and put the last pointer down. And then shape it like a kick. Something like this. You can basically do whatever you want. Then shorten the kick from the length knob like this. Now you can combine a second oscillator if you want. Can you see those frequencies like combine with each other and are played like at the same time? So it morphs the kick. But I don't activate the oscillator 2 right now. To make a better snap to the kick, you can activate the noise oscillator and click the amplitude and drag it to the first bit of the kick, to the transient. Now it has this little hat in the first millisecond of the kick. You can also use a sample, but I don't have a sample right now, but you can use a sample for the transient if you want, and you can shape it, for example, like this. I can show you an example. So I will cut the first bit of the kick in the first oscillator and drag it all the way like this. And in the second oscillator I will drag it like this. So when you have a hat or something in the sample, it will only play it in this part of the kick. So let's do, for example, like this right now, and we can start it from the B also and do something like this. That also works pretty good. But Geonkick is not only a kick synthesizer, you can also make some weird sounds with it. Look at, for example, this. You can activate the frequency from here and put it from the low to high. And you can also do some weird percussions if you want. Glad you watched the video, hope you learned something and try to make some kicks with Geonkick. Let's get it.
By the way, I've made 50 kick samples for any genre. Find the link in bio.